family, friends, girl, you got it.
Hi family, hi friends, hi guys, hi boo boos. It's your girl Emla. So this is day 2 in the United Kingdom, and today I'm going to unpack my luggage, clean, mop, scrub the mini studio apartment, and repack my things. Guys, this place is so beautiful. I wanted to show you guys, but I think I'll finish packing and cleaning, then I'll do a short apartment tour video for you guys in this vlog. Yes, so it's all about cleaning. So guys, I'm going to take you guys along. It is currently 6:42 in the morning and it's still dark outside. Can you believe? So guys, let's do this. Let's do the packing, then I'll show you a full video of this beautiful apartment. Hi besties, let's unpack the food items from the bag into the kitchen cabinet. Guys, so this is how the place looks like in the evening. It is now 6:40 p.m. This is the kitchen, my favorite part. This is where we dry our plates after washing, and that's the sink and the cooking area. This is where I chop my ingredients or film food content. That's my cooking pot. There is nothing in. The hot plate, electric stove for cooking. And this is an extra hot plate. Let's say you are using the whole of this place and you want extra hot plate, you can go for this. This is my blender for blending ingredients. And when you come up here, all the cabinets in the kitchen. So this first cabinet is for breakfast stuff like Milo, Lipton, things for breakfast. Yes. So guys, this is the air ventilation area. When you're cooking and you don't want the aroma or the steam, whatever, to stay in the kitchen or the apartment, you just come here, then you turn this on. So when you turn it on, you see, can you hear the sound? Yeah. So the aroma, the steam will capture it here. Let me say this. And this is just a light regulator. You see, the light is off. So when you're cooking in the evening, I want to turn on the light, you just turn on this light regulator, and that's it. So from here, we come here to another cabinet. This is where I keep my beans, groundnut butter, rice, these few things for cooking. And over here I keep my spaghetti and my noodles, but I don't have noodles. And this is where I keep my microwave bowls, my food bowls, and few saucepans. I'm going to get more saucepans later. So from there you come here. This is where I keep my spices, my favorite part of the kitchen. My natural spice for cooking is just normal chopping board, and these two drawers are for medicine and other personal stuff. And when you come here, it's just my oil, my coconut oil, vegetable oil and palm oil, and onions and shopping bags. You know, you don't leave the house to the market without a shopping bag. Over here we have the oven for baking, smoking fish, whatever. And here the fridge for storing food stuff, vegetables and other things. And when you come here, we've kept few things that we use in the kitchen, like washing soap and washing sponge, and few things that we are not using. We keep them here. And down here, this is where we keep our bowl refuse. So we put them in this rubber here, we keep it down here, and we dispose it after cooking, or dispose it in the evening. And here is the dishwasher. It's good we have it because when I'm tired, I'll be using it. I've not used it before, but then it's better we have it. So from there, you come here. This is our dining area. This is where Big Baby and I eat. Very cute dining space. And we have few boxes. We will dispose them later. And there's a lighting system. I use it to vlog sometimes in the evening. Guys, let's see how the bathroom looks in the evening. So when you open the door, you see this winter jacket. We normally don't keep it here. We normally keep it out. I'll show you guys later. But I did some laundry and I'm trying to dry them. That is why I've brought these things here. When my things get dry, I'll take these things back. So when you come here, it's just this. It's raining, guys. So you can see the rain here. So it's just this window here, and I use this to clean the window. Sometimes you see water coming from this side, so I use it to clean. And yeah, it's just the bathroom surface cleaning spray here. And we have our brushing tools, like our toothbrush and our toothpaste. This is my normal facial cleanser, and this is our mouthwash. So this for brushing and all that stuff. Then thing for my hair, toiletries and few things. Then you come to this side, it's just a normal beautiful mirror. What I love about this apartment is the mirror ideas. I really love it. Like, you come here, you get a mirror, and there is another mirror, and there is mirror outside. Like, I really love this. You can film, video, do everything with a mirror. So when you come to this side, it's just the mirror here, and make things for body. And here is the normal toilet tissue wipes. And we go to this side, the bathing area. Beautiful, right? Yes, very clean and beautiful. So this thing is heater, is the heater in the bathroom. So we keep our towels here. And this is the toilet seat. How the bathroom looks like, guys, at night. Guys, this is where I was talking about. So this is how this place looks like at night. So this is our bags, our traveling bags. We keep it up here. And this is where we dry our things. So this is where I dry the winter jackets. So when we are going out, we just come and we pick it, we leave. This is the exit. So this is where we dry the winter jackets, but it's because I have things here. I'm drying things here. That's why I sent it to the bathroom. So this is just a home telephone. Someone can call us from downstairs because this place, the security system is very high. And this place is where the washing machine is. So we have this automatic lamp. When you just get here, it turns on. So this is just my bowl. I keep my washing powder and after wash. And this is my laundry bag, our laundry bag. And this is the washing machine. It's just a small space right here. Let's bring this back. This is it. And this is the exit. Guys, this is a full video of the bedroom. This is how the bedroom looks like. It is a very simple and beautiful space. I love this place so much. So here is Big Baby's wardrobe, and this mirror is my own wardrobe. And this is where we keep our shoes. And our cute Bible over there. This is the bed. Guys, so comfortable. And this is the door to the bathroom. Guys, look at the beautiful view. Look at this. Are you kidding me? It is so beautiful, guys. I love this place so much. And this is the heater in the room. Honestly, I love this place.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you